Zimbabwe. Welcome to another episode of Crispy Fresh here at LNB Studios. It's your presenter, Marisa. Today we've got a group Rabakuburwa, Crispy Fresh, Richiri Kutapirira, Rinonzi Double Impact. Double Impact, welcome to the show.
You're welcome. Hello Zimbabwe, hi.
I bet Zimbabwe is fine. So Double Impact, tell us, what are you? We are eager to know, what's Double Impact? Tell us more about yourself.
Okay. My name is Wilfred Costa.
My name is Wilbert Costa. Our stage name is Double Impact Mad Twins. What do you say? Yes, sir.
Okay, wow, Double Impact. I can already feel the impact.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, when did you start with the music? How did you, but we are growing, right?
Yeah.
So you as young artists, especially upcoming artists, what problems are you facing?
We're facing a lot of problems in music industry. So if in the music industry, you know some kind of problems like I want, like recording, you need the recording money, fashion, videos. So it's just we are looking for promoters, no managers, no function organizers.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Yeah. The music industry ne problem sabotage. Mune sabotage. Ukuthi ningafa nenda kumpela kwani. But some people want to money nyenye kuti vanhu vari kubhena
pirates. And but it's not pirates ka. Right, not as zvende kumberi ino market your name.
Exactly.
You market your name.
Ndozona mari wabva kushow. Vanhu vanenge vakukuziva market.
One man's meat is another man's poison.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. So you guys, you're actually saying you need sponsors.
Yeah.
And you need the government to also chip in.
Yeah.
Especially in this industry. You know, there's a lot of talent in this industry. And it's high time we promote the entertainment industry. Okay, I did this other song, and then it was so like, this day we were driving, then I was listening to your music. I think it's Double Impact, Twins of the Twins.
Okay.
Yeah, what's the title to that song?
That song called Double Impact, Top of the Kings.
Top of the Kings.
Oh,
Yeah.
I cannot tap it. I cannot like. Don't want to guys. Just for me, Nico feel special.
Okay.
Okay. Look at them class house, but soon Double Impact, find them icon for them. Big tune, big sounds, what I don't know, out of my extension massive. Why? Vakubvunza Double Impact ndiani, ubvunza lepo ripe futi ndatina fandani, uvanokudza paja pataenda kulandani, tapigwa nemanjani, hameno kutimangani. Tell them Double Impact, top of the kings. Double Impact, top of the blings. Double Impact, top of the kings.
The one I contest, so we take up the nation.
Double Impact,
Twins of the Twins.
Double Impact,
King of the Blings.
Double Impact.
Top of the Kings.
Nobody can contest to take up the nation.
Ooh, bravo! I will definitely download the song after this show.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know the world, especially the ladies out there, you definitely want to know if this gentleman are single. I'm eager to know, so please tell us, are you guys single?
Okay. Right. Studios are doing any recording by you. That's Wakadzi vedu.
Yeah.
No Wakadzi. And when I read into my tricks, I'm not tambaya.
No, I'm married into music. Yeah,
Exactly.
That's our wife there.
I'm not Tawachispa. Ladies, Tawachispa. These guys, they just confirmed because they're married to music. Anyway, Tikadin, single. What can we do? Okay, so this is Double Impact. Double Impact, like, how can we contact you? People are interested out there and they want to know where they can find you. Where can we get your music?
Yeah, you can go on our YouTube site. It's Double Impact Mad Twins.
My twins.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Also, you can go on our Facebook page. You say Mad Twins Double Impact. That's you can get there.
WhatsApp contact, you're going to touch us on 075 910079. I repeat again, 0775 910079.
Okay, sure. You had it, guys. So you hurry right now. Go and download those videos. Go and download the music. Please, we need to promote this, guys. You had them. People are sabotaging Zimbabwe. They're sabotaging young artists. So if you start by downloading their music, you are making a difference. And today, this is Double Impact. Double Impact, would you like to say anything to Zimbabwe?
Yeah, I want to say Zimbabwe, keep on supporting
Double Impact.
Zim dance or music out to the flipping world. You know what I say?
some other vanoti hanzi zimdanso ndevanhu varongorwa bronco nempanje. It's not like that. Munogona kushandisika double impact yaita collab nababa namai charamba, because it's the same industry. We are looking for money munhu wese. Hakusi kuti waimba nekuti chogona kuimba futi sungura namacheso, because we are looking for money. That's our mission. We need to take music to another level.
They've got missions for Zimbabwe, they've got goals for Zimbabwe. Now we've come to the end of the show. It's so sad, right? But anyways, Badabo Impact, we need you to do something else. We need you to play something for us.
Yeah. So tainda kunema ladies, we wanna say kune song yenyu inondika kufunga baby ndoita crazy. That's a hit song yokuti unganzwa if you got a guy like GFG, unogona kunakirwa nesong iyoyo. Yes.
Zimbabwe, thank you for watching. This is the end of our show.
Ningakufunga baby ndoita crazy, ningakurota baby ndoita crazy. Isiana never come and never lazy. Vanongofunga kukutengera malaise. Baby girl, the first time that I ndekuona ndakutanja kutora ndati iwe ndokurora ukosi iri newe ndati yesu tinomecha seba se upati kuzi baby sechecha onyangwe vakutuke baby ndati doesn't matter kosi iri newe ndati yesu tinomecha baby ita easy ndati ene ndokutora kunzwisa nekudana nando chete zvatinoda saindinetsa mufungwa dzangu nekungokaiye saindinetsa muope dzangu nekungorota.
Thank you for watching the show. And if you want to hire me as your presenter, I'm here. Please contact me on 077 123 0282. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.